Hey guys, today we're going to be installing this phone holder. So I'm going to bring you inside, we'll do the whole unboxing, and we'll show you how to put it together and mount it on your dashboard here. Alright, stick around. Alright guys, so here it is. It came in a box from Amazon. So let's unpackage it and see what we got. I'm going to try and do this one-handed, so bear with me. Alright, so we got the phone holder. Very nice. Like I said, this is like 20-25 bucks on Amazon. Just a little bracket. Okay, that's what the phone holder mounts to. And the base. Pretty self-explanatory. No instructions, but you don't need instructions for this. It's simple. All that's going to happen is this base is going to go onto here. And the phone holder mounts onto that. And this, take off the backing to the 3M tape and mount it right to your dashboard. It's pretty simple. I'll get this thing together and show you what it looks like. Alright, here's all the pieces out. So what you got is, you got your base, you got your little mounting point for the phone holder, you got your phone holder, and it comes with one screw. Now you're going to need to put it together. There's your little fingers, screwdriver. I'll show you how that goes together. Put the phone holder mount right here. See, there's a little hole in it. So you line up the hole with that brass insert there. Just like that. Take your screw. Just screw in the hole. Tighten it down with the screwdriver. There you go. Take your base, loosen the back nut up, because this is a compression. This fits over that ball right there. So you got to loosen the nut up before it'll fit. So once that's all loosened up, you can do this one-handed. One finger behind the flat part, put it right on there, and all you gotta do is push. It pops on. That's it. And all you do is you tighten her up. You know, you tighten it up as much or as little as you want. Hold it a little more steady. And that's it. It's together. It's that simple. Like I said, this is like 20 bucks, 25 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. And what we're going to do is take the tape off. Well, take the backing of this tape off on the bottom. And we'll put it in the Renegade. I'll show you how to line that up. And that's it. You have a brand new phone holder with extra storage for change or an earpiece or whatever you want to put in there. It's just a little bit of extra storage because the Renegades, they don't have that much storage. So we'll get you outside. I'll take the tape off and I'll show you how to line it up. You know, use your best judgment, but I'll show you how to do that. All right, got you in a minute. All right, guys, how you doing? I got the tape off of it, off the back. See? Now all we're gonna do, line it up on top of there, put it on, and that's it. So all you got to do, line it up about where you want it, stick it on, and you're good to go. All right, I'll show you what it looks like in 1 second. There you go, guys. That's it. You just line it up, stick it on, and you are all set. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.